got the sodas. It tastes so good. Whoa! That was the loudest hiccup I ever heard! Excuse me, helper. Oh my god! What's going on in here? Wait, who's that? That's Blitzo. Wait, so you're the Blitzo guy Kid talked about? Yep, that's me. I am Blizz, the always silent. So Kid does call you Mr. Silento. Oh! But I won't be mad at Caleb anymore since we're not rivals anymore. Good, because if you do that to my boyfriend again, I will crush every bone in your body. Hiccup problems, huh? We can help you. We? Hello there. Hello. Hello. P.S. I don't know Snorky's official honk noises anymore, so yeah, you gotta do what I do. Who are they? Those are the banana splits. It's the banana splits themselves? Snorky will help you, since he had the hiccup up too. What did he say? He said he doesn't know what kind of hiccups he got. Then Caleb came with Zoe's grandpa, Gramps. Hello, Zoe. Oh, hey, Gramps. Whoa! What kind of hiccup was that? That sounds like the case of the Beam Team Mega Beam Hiccups. Ups. Get some water. Okay. Got it. Dang, you're fast. Try this. The old Beam Team Hiccup Cure. Use this washing pick to pinch your nose while you drink some water. Then Zoe puts the washing pick on her nose and she drinks the water. Then she hiccups and goes up and then floats back down and lands on her back. Maybe a spoon of honey will do the trick. Then whoa! Gramps caught Zoe in his arms. Don't worry, I was getting Mega Beam Hiccups for years, Zoe. I think there's still some attempts in the book. Look, a few tries later, we tried everything. Have you tried scamming her? Huh? No? Watch this. Hey, my hiccups are gone! Thank you, Caleb! You're welcome. Aww. Even I find it's cute. Oh no! Snorky got the hiccups! Again! Oh boy.